Welcome to this episode of 8-Bit Simulation, Breaking Bad before it was cool. In this episode, we're going to end the fight over if Mario breaks blocks with his hand or his head by using Autodesk Nastran In-CAD. But first, our video game challenge. Just beat my time on the first level of Super Mario Bros. 1 and post your video on Facebook for your chance at a great retro prize. Not all models have to be created in Fusion 360. This time, we're going to create our geometry in Autodesk Inventor. Going into the Environments tab and choosing Nastran In-CAD, we'll start a new analysis and define it to be Nonlinear Transient Response. We'll choose our material and define it as concrete, selecting Mario as well as the bricks he's smashing to be made of the same stuff to simplify things. Next, a trickier part. We need to define a shell element in the idealization menu to allow the bricks to fly while holding them in place until contact is made. Choosing constraints, we can pick the edge of the shell we just defined, set all degrees of freedom to fixed, and click OK. Next, we're going to have to apply an initial velocity to Mario. 100 centimeters per second in the Y direction will do the trick. Now, we have to define contact. Choosing the surfaces that make up Mario's head and hand, as well as the bottom of the brick, will define our first contact set. We'll also have to have contact set between each of the pieces of the brick block he is smashing. Going into Dynamics, we can choose how long the analysis will run and how many time steps are needed. We should also apply some values for damping. After meshing our model, we can exclude parts that are not relevant for this analysis and press Run. We're able to see Mario making contact with the brick. Now, let's zoom in to see just how he goes about smashing it. It turns out that in reality, he would be using both his hand and head to hit things. I can't wait to show these facts to my brother to prove that I was right all along.